Esther from Advanced Home Central Vacuum, Los Angeles. And I think vacuuming is a chore and I want to get it done as fast as possible. I happen to think using this vacuum is the fastest way to get the chore done. So I thought, hey, let's do a little test and let's see how much time it takes. I'm going to vacuum my kitchen, my dining room, and my living room. I'm going to time it, and then I thought perhaps you could take a little test of your house and time it with your system, and then put your comments down below and let's see which way is faster. All right, so here we go. Here's the test. So there you have it. Let's see how much time it took. 7 minutes, 59 seconds, 3 rooms, 1 hose, 1 inlet, and that's pretty quick. Let's see how your vacuum did too. Make your comment below.